Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix alarm no sound issue on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on clock app. After click on clock app, click on alarm. After click on alarm, after click on alarm, click on this three dot icon and click on settings and make sure turn off this button. After turn off this button, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on notifications. After click on notifications, click on do not disturb and click on alarms and sounds and make sure turn on alarm button. After turn on alarms button, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it is still not solved, click on settings app and click on software update. Click on download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix alarm now sound issue on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.